It's an interesting story because it changed a lot during the past 9 months. My project was called ESTHER Loves PVC, and it turned out to become a new name, to get a new name, and it's now called ESTHER Hates PVC. The initial idea was to manipulate and to mold a recycled PVC and to bring this not very nice material to turn it into a really upscaled fashion product. One evening in a bar we said, okay, why don't we do everything in leather? And next morning I went to the local market in Barcelona and I bought the leather, and then we did all the 7 molds out of leather, and I'm really happy with the result because PVC is a very cheap material and my company, my fashion, my collections are very expensive, the quality is very good. So in first term I was interested in that electrifying mix of something cheap with my upscale fashion. But in the end I have to admit that the leather suits much more the positioning of my brand. I finished 7 prototypes, different. So I have a coat, a bag, a shoulder piece, a sleeve, what else is there? 2 belts, like 7 ready. I would not call them prototypes because they're really nice products. I would always recommend work partnership project, but you need to be really careful with choosing your partner, and it takes time. Like I realized also, Anastasia and me, we had to sniff at each other for some, let's say, weeks or even months. But then at one point we knew what to expect from each other and we could use that. And for us it was a perfect match, but I could easily imagine that if you don't find the right partner and if one of them is more passionate than the other one to the project, it can be difficult because you're not at the same place, maybe you don't speak the same language or it's not your mother language, and yeah, it's a lot of work and you always have to keep in contact during 9 months. And of course we are busy, so we have other things to do aside. But yeah, and you have to push yourself also. You have to push yourself and use what you can use from the project. Maybe not everything is useful for yourself, but like in school, you grab what is good for you and make the best out of it.